You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these Paris 2024 Olympic mascots, how to pronounce in English. For reference, in French in France, it is said as Phryges, because the S is silent, Phryges. Now in English the S is pronounced, so the Phryges, which sounds a bit curious, right? The Phryges? I guess that's how you say it. Yeah, the Phryges. I'm not sure why they chose that name. Or the Phryges, maybe you could say. The Phryges sound a bit better. The Phryges, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, the Phryges, let's say. Okay, or the Phryges, if you want to say in French. The Phryges, I think, sounds better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.